Hi, this is Paul Collins. It's, I would normally say, a beautiful day in Cuenca, Ecuador, but it's actually muy frío, as the Ecuadorians say. It is cold, about 57 degrees. But you know something? By the time I get done with talking about this wonderful new restaurant in Cuenca, I think the sun is going to come shining through because this is really delicious. We're going to talk about a unique, one-of-its-kind restaurant in Cuenca that just opened. It is called the Am Cri Swiss restaurant. It features fondue specialties as well as individual Swiss French entrees. I know you're going to love it. It's totally unique. It's a wonderful dining experience. Now, I got to tell you a little bit about Beda Zimmermann, who is the proprietor of this restaurant. He lived in Switzerland the first 27 years of his life. He has an extensive background in the restaurant hotel management business. His family owned a country inn combination restaurant in Switzerland, and that's where Beda developed his love for this wonderful cuisine. Now, he decided with his lovely wife Trudy and their 3 lovely daughters to open up this restaurant to make people happy that live in Cuenca. He also was the general manager for the Oro Verde Hotel in Upper Cuenca. So the other neat thing is when you make reservations for this hotel, you'll probably talk to Beda. Beda speaks English, Spanish, French, and German, so there'll be no difficulty making a reservation for whatever time you want. Now, tonight's we're going to feature the traditional cheese fondue, which is what you do is you dip in either potatoes or bread, and I'm going to do that right now, and we're going to see how this is going to taste. I bet it's going to be terrific. I could smell it coming from the kitchen. Oh, is that good? Very, very good. Now, cheese fondue is made up of 3 basic cheeses: Gruyere, Tilsiter, and Dambo. Little story about cheese making in Ecuador. Switzerland sent one of their renowned cheesemakers to Ecuador about 35-40 years ago to teach the people here, a select group of people, how to make good cheese. So, Beda imports no cheese from another country. It's strictly from Ecuador. Now, what Beda also does, he adds a little dry wine to this cheese. Sauvignon Blanc, I believe, is the wine, and it really is really wonderfully a very, very engaging taste. Now, a little bit something about fondue that you should know. No one would ever think about making fresh soup for one individual. Same way goes for fondue. You want to come here, if you want fondue, you got to have at least 2 or more people with you. Now, if you want to come here by yourself and not have fondue, you can order one of several wonderful individual entrees, which are of the Swiss French variety. They're all terrific. You'll enjoy them. One of the things that I think you're really going to enjoy about this restaurant is its setting. This is not on the main drag. The main drag, one street over from this restaurant's location, is Remigio Crespo. This is on Julio Machiavelli. I'm sure you've passed that yellow tiled ice cream place called Monte Bianco. It is behind that ice cream place and down by a park, a 3rd house from the street. You won't hear any taxis going by. You won't hear a lot of traffic. It's a very relaxing place. It's a wonderful place to come down with that special someone or a group of friends for a very, very relaxing meal. Don't come down here if you got to be somewhere in 25 minutes. This is a place that you want to relax with your friends, engage in wonderful conversation, and give it an hour, hour and a half. You'll enjoy it. You're getting off from the beaten path. And next week I want to tell you about, we're going to talk about another item on the menu. It's called the Raclette Los Alpes. There's a unique story about how this dish was created in Switzerland, and you'll have to tune in next week to hear about that story. I've enjoyed my time here. I've enjoyed making the first video for Beda Zimmermann. He's going to be very successful because the food is so delicious and the service is impeccable. Until next week, ciao ciao.